Can you smell that, guys? Spring and summer is in the air and I cannot wait. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So this year I turned 43 and I'm feeling the oldest I've ever been in my whole entire life. And saying that out loud seems kind of stupid because I am, but what I really mean is I'm feeling a little bit more sluggish than I've ever been, feeling pains and aches in my body, and just finding it hard to stay motivated to reach my fitness goals. For a long time, I stopped wearing headphones because they would just become uncomfortable, sweaty and itchy, or just randomly fall out of my ear. So I just went raw listening to everything outside or whatever they're playing in the gym. I know that finding that right song could trigger a great memory, or finding that one beat that gets your booty shaking and gives you that extra push you need to finish your workout. I stumbled upon these headphones. These are the Shokz OpenRun Pro 2s. I want to give you my experience and explain why I think these are the best and most versatile headphones for an active and busy lifestyle. So stay put so you can find out why. All right, so for starters, let's talk about what these babies actually cost. These retail for about $179.99. They're not cheap and they're a little bit pricey, but I think once you learn what they can do, you might think it's worth your money. And if you noticed, these are kind of tiny. They're very small. This is actually the mini size, and that's because I have a small egg-shaped head, but these fit me great. And you can get them in a standard size, which of course is much larger. And they have a sizing guide on their website and on Amazon in the pictures. It's really easy to measure. You just got to get a string or any kind of cable, anything to fit and wrap around the back of your head. You just have to measure from ear to ear in the back and you know your size. And these headphones fit over your ear, and we'll talk about why in a little bit, but they'll just rest right over your ears, and then the strap will lay on the bottom side of your head. And they're super lightweight. They weigh about 30 grams and you'll barely feel them hanging on your ears. Let's quickly run down the specs on these guys. Now, this delivers sound with DualPitch technology. So one part of it is a bone conduction, which will handle your mids and highs. And the other piece of it is air conduction, which will handle the bass. Has up to 12 hours of playback, and it has USB-C with quick charging. It takes about 1 hour to fully charge it, and if you charge it for about 5 to 10 minutes, you can get up to 2 hours of playback. Rated with IP55 for sweat, rain, and some dust. Dual AI noise canceling mics, which can filter up to 95% of background noise. Bluetooth 5.3 with multi-point pairing, so you can pair to multiple devices. It also comes with a hard shell carrying case. As far as the build quality materials, these are wrapped in about 85% of this durable rubber, and then there's a little bit of metal accents on the two sides. And it feels premium and durable. You know, they're very bendy and twisty. I don't feel like I could break them very easily, and you shouldn't have any issues throwing this in your bag, you know, taking them on and off. The only part that might get scuffed up over a period of time is on the left hand portion here. There is a piece of metal, but other than that, I think these should last a pretty long time if you take care of them. Now, to control these is very simple. On the right hand side underneath is your power and volume up and down, and these buttons are wrapped in rubber and they're a little bit raised so you can kind of feel which one is which. And to turn it on, you just have to hold the volume up button for a few seconds and it'll flip on. And on the left hand side where the driver is, there's a multi-function button. To play and pause music, you just tap it once. To skip a track, you'll double tap it. To go to the previous song, you have to triple tap it. And if you hold it down, you can use your favorite voice assistant. And to answer calls, you just tap it once. Now let's talk about the dual pitch technology, which I think is pretty cool if you think about it. I originally thought this would, you know, send the vibrations of the music through your ear canal, but that's actually not what's happening. It actually sits on your cheekbone here, right in front of your lobe, and essentially it has this tiny bit of vibration, you know, micro vibration that'll actually send the music into your cheekbones that will travel into your inner ear. And for the air conduction, there's actually 2 mini speakers that are pointing directly into your ear that will send that deep bass. And what about the sound quality? Whenever I review any kind of sound producing technology and electronics, I always have a hard time expressing myself, and I always say this because sound is subjective. It's very subjective because everybody hears different frequencies. I can say these sound amazing, and you can get them and say these suck. I hate these. Why did you recommend them? The best way for me to explain it and give you my honest opinion, you get the sound kind of being delivered in your ear, and then you can still hear, you know, everything going on around you, which is fine. I don't have any issues listening to vocals, you know, all different types of songs, a little bit of bass in there. I can hear the thump and the little tickles of the vocals and, you know, the highs and the mids. I think you have to have some expectations for certain types of headphones. You know, don't expect these to sound like AirPods AirPod Max, your goal when you're wearing these is to focus on your workout or whatever activity you're doing, I think these are fine. I don't think you're gonna have any issues enjoying any kind of music you're listening to. One quick thing, guys, if you're looking for a shirt, whether you're gonna be going on a date, you're gonna be home playing video games, or you're gonna be hitting the gym, I highly recommend you check out Into the AM. They have a ton of unique styles at an affordable price, and it's great quality. If you use my link in the description, you get 10% off your whole order. I love these shirts, I wear them all the time, and I wouldn't recommend something that I don't believe in. Now, I've been using these for about 2-3 months, and I've taken these to the gym doing burpees, sit-ups, laying on benches, and they never felt uncomfortable or annoying. I've worn them outside running, walking, even while painting, and I kind of forget they're even on my head. Now let's do a couple quick audio tests so you can see what these sound like when you're making a phone call and how the AI noise cancellation is working. Now I'm recording on the Samsung Galaxy S25 and using the mics from the phone. Now you're hearing the audio from the OpenRun Pro 2s. I am riding a bike right now, so that way we can get a little bit of wind noise and you can get a better idea of how that noise cancellation is working. Now we were zooming down the hill and there's a lot of wind blowing in my ears and in the microphone. So I should sound pretty muffled right now. I've already kind of tested this a few times. All right, so now I'm just riding the bike on an even surface. Pretty smooth ride. There's cars passing me. Should be one coming up behind me here any second. Should cancel that out a little bit. And it's cars passing me right now. Not too loud. And for my testing, I think the headset sounds pretty decent as long as you don't get a ton of noise as far as like the wind blowing in your ears and your face. You will notice your voice and the quality of the audio is going to get heavily reduced. You know, it is trying to cancel out all of that noise. However, it does a decent job. Just don't expect it to sound amazing. Now, this is the audio from the OpenRun Pro 2s on the other end of a phone call. I'm going to race down a hill with wind blowing in my ears. Noise cancellation is working. It should filter out at least 95, 96% of the wind. I should be sounding a little muffled right now if it is working correctly. I can feel the wind. And guys, if you're enjoying this video so far and you appreciate honest, no BS product reviews in a chill and concise manner, please consider subscribing, smash that like button, put some comments below, let me know what songs you like to listen to keep you motivated. They also offer an app that you can install on your phone to adjust a couple of things. Now, I do want to mention they get a huge W in my book for this. When you install the app, you can actually skip the account login and creation process. There's actually a small button on the top right hand corner that says skip. This is massive. This is a huge W. Out of all the years that I've been reviewing products and installing apps and testing things, I think this might be the only one that lets you install an app and not create a stupid account. So man, they get all the points for this because that is awesome. You can skip that process and go right into the app and it's pretty straightforward. At the top, you can see your battery percentage. Below that, they have some presets for EQs and you can also make your own custom EQ settings. Below that, they have some music controls and enable or disable multi-point pairing. And in the settings, you have the ability to do a firmware update. Other than that, there's not much else you can do in the app. It's pretty simple and bare bones. And now for some of the things I like and didn't like about it. The biggest thing for me is going to be the comfort and stableness. I kind of already mentioned this in the video, but I can wear these doing all different types of activities and exercises. I never have to worry about them flying off my head or feeling uncomfortable after a certain period of time. They fit me perfectly and they're super comfortable to wear. The second thing I love about these is the cleanliness. It's really easy to just rinse these off and take a paper towel and wipe them down. You don't have to deal with all that nasty earwax that builds up sometimes with certain headphones that sit in your ear canal. This is just super easy to clean. You rinse it out, wipe it off with a paper towel, and you're ready to go for the next run. And the last thing I really like is the battery life and quick charging. I can work out at least 3 to 4 times a week and still have plenty of battery life. I never have to worry about these dying in a mid-workout. And if they are running low on battery, I can plug it into a USB-C port in my car, or if I have a battery pack and let it charge for 10 minutes and I'm good to go. These should last you all week long unless you're doing some crazy marathon and you're working out multiple hours a day. For everyone else out there, this will last you a week. And now for the cons. And this is not really a con for me, but it was a comment I received from my fiance. I just want to mention it because there might be other viewers out there who do agree with her, but she told me these look a little bit dorky and nerdy on me. Or in general, they are dorky headphones. What do you think? Do you agree with her? Put the comments below and let me know if these do look dorky. Don't worry, I won't be upset. I mention it because I guess I can kind of agree with her. I am 43 years old. I've embraced all the dorkiness, nerdiness. I don't care. These fit great. I'm gonna wear them to the end of days. I do understand these are not fashionable. They're not the most aesthetically pleasing to see on somebody's head, and there may be other people who care about that stuff. Next thing I didn't like is on the multi-function button. I would have liked to be able to customize that. There doesn't really seem to be a way. I checked high and dry in the app, but for example, I really want to be able to go and do double tap to go to previous track instead of the triple tap, you're kind of stuck with it. You can't change it. I think for their future, iterations of this headphone, I think they should implement, like the gesture controls when you can tap on it and then allow you to customize that, something I don't like about it, and hopefully they can improve it in the future. Now, the last thing is going to be the wind noise, but that's only going to be for specific scenarios. If you're on a mountain bike and you're racing down a hill going 20 miles per hour and you have that wind just blasting in your ears, there's no way the audio on these headphones is going to overpower that wind. I mean, your ear is completely exposed here, so I mean, it's to be expected, but I just want to make you aware that if you're going to be doing any kind of those activities. All right, everybody, I think I'm going to start wrapping up this video here, but let me make it official and put on my Dorky headphones. I'm loving these. I've used them for the last few months, like I said, and I've used them running, jumping, laying on benches, doing all types of different exercises and activities, and they fit great. They're comfortable. I can listen to all different types of music and still hear things going on around me, which is important for me. I think these are the most versatile headphones I've ever used. If you have an active and busy lifestyle and you have a hard time finding the right pair of headphones to fit on your head, I highly recommend you check out these. If you're interested in these headphones, you can find the link in the description. Just remember, if you do decide to purchase these using my link, it does help support the channel and more future content at no cost to you. That's it, everybody. I'll catch you in the next one. Baby, how much do you love my new headphones?
I love them